Hey everybody, I got a packet from eBay here. It's a one American lock that I won on accident. I want to go ahead and pick it. So I tend to not pick locks when I buy them, and they just sit unopened in the package for months and months and months. So let's see if we can actually pick it here. Then it's only sat for like a week. So this is American 1100 1-inch shackle. Bidding says 358. Sorry, I can't even see it. I think it's 35832. That looks like a 35382 to me. Let's see if we can get it open here. It's 50 thousandths, looking for 40 thousandths. Right there. Alright. And I don't remember if this one was brand new or not, but it certainly looks like it. You know, with in a box and not dirty or anything. But it only came with one key though, so usually a new lock will have two. But yeah, it already opened, so it's easy. And we'll go ahead and we'll got it here. You know, they're new, the springs aren't all crushed, and when the springs aren't crushed, they're a lot easier to open. And we do have a key, so we'll put it back. And it's of course all greasy, because why not? Alright, and go drivers here. Number 1, serrated. Number 2, also serrated. 3, we have serrated. 4, we have spool. And 5, we have serrated. And key pins. That fell out on number 3. What I'm going to do is just stick a blank in here. That's number 1, 2, 3, I'm sorry, 4 and 5. Okay, so the 2 is not going to have any serrations on it, and I'm surprised we didn't get a false set since the spool is over a shorter pin. Zoom in here. So, yeah, the spool right here over a shorter pin, so it could give us a false set if it's over one of the longer pin. It usually won't give a false set. Yep. Anyway, I guess that's American 1100. Picked and gutted, and that will do it for this video, and we will talk to everybody later. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. I always forget to do the beg for subscriber things. Anyway, alright, we're done now.